second chakra, Svadhistana, related to creativity and sexuality. Getting your feet together, lace your fingers, getting hands behind your feet, and butterfly your legs. Just breathe in here, and you can notice how your body starts getting heat. You can feel the heat coming through your body. Hands on the mat. Underneath, hands underneath the shoulders. Hips are aligned to your knees. I extend my right leg, pointing toes, sending that right foot forward. Hands on the knee. Press your knee back and forth, just moving your body. Hold your pose. If it's hard for you, you can hold this pose by getting a block on the side. If you're able to open, get arms up, lace the fingers, or keeping your hands together. Namaste.